everyone, welcome to Bambatha Mancuza TV. I'm here to update you kuzokwenzeka My Brother's Keeper kusukela ngomsombuluko mhla ka-20 January 2025 kuya ngolwesihlanu mhla ka-24 January 2025. Ngomsombuluko mhla ka-20 January, the family reads from Nomsa revelation that exposes an unbearable truth. Fakazile cannot believe she's married a murderer. NgoLwesibili mhla ka-21 January 2025, uNomsa promises to complete 10 against her husband. uMenzi and Fakazile continue to clash over the Shabalalas. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-22 January 2025, MaMchunu blames Fakazile for her sons killing each other. MaMchunu bans her connection to Nqubeko. uNdumiso is not impressed with Busiso and Thoba. NgoLwesine mhla ka-23 January 2025, uNqubeko is giving a baptism of fire. uNomsa flees. uNdumiso meets an angel called Matsidiso. NgoLwesihlanu mhla ka-24 January 2025, Khathazile catches trail from a livid MaMchunu. There's a trouble and uncertainty in paradise for Fakazile. uNqubeko faces his worst nightmare. Shaba Snakes is sinking fast. Ngiyayibamba lapho, ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell noma usubscribe okanye ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.